Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Have a blessed day. I hope you all are in pink of your health, taking care of your health, and doing studies. Okay? So stay home, stay safe, children. But please don't forget to study because that is the most important thing. Welcome back to the next lecture of your favorite subject, that is English. What we have done in the previous lecture, children, just recall your memories. Last week हमने क्या किया था? If you remember, we have completed lesson number 1.5, that is Joan of Arc. Very beautiful lesson. It's a story of France and England 100 Years War, in which the girl Joan, she played a very important role. She brought many victories to the nation. She was belonged to France, and there was a war between France and England. Okay, so many parts of France were captured by the England, and this girl, very simple, decent, and belonged to villager she were. Okay, illiterate but physically fit and very courageous, very brave. She wanted to be a part of the soldiering team. She wanted to be a part of the military. But as you all know, it is not so easy to become a part of military. है ना? But she tried to convince and she took the part in the war. That is only that is only shown in the lesson in the form of conversation. If you will see, there's a conversation between the officers and Joan, and you can see the way she tried to convince them. You can see the confidence level of that young talented girl, and finally they gave her permission and she went to fight. Okay, we have almost completed with the question and answers. Now we will move towards language study questions. Okay, language study, very important part of every lesson, because these questions may come in question number 1, or in the comprehension also it comes as question number C. Okay, so let's start. Do as directed. Simple activities. Write 2 compound words from the text. See children, compound words, very simple question. When 2 words comes together and form one word, that is called compound word. यानी कि अगर हम उनको अलग करेंगे तब भी वो 2 होते हैं, और जब साथ में आते हैं तो एक वर्ड बनता है. But from the lesson itself you have to find. See, answer is given over here. If you have another example also, you can add into it. Courtyard, blockhead. Okay, वो बोलता है ना, you blockhead, that means a foolish person. Blockhead, block is one word, head is the another word. When both the words comes together, they form blockhead. Court is one word, yard is the another word. When it comes together, it forms courtyard. Okay, so these are the 2 words from the lesson. Next, question number 2. Use the following word as a gerund in your own sentence. Children, what do you mean by gerund? We have done in standard 9. Gerund is ing form of noun. Okay, ing form वाला noun होता है. इसे समझ लेने का कि ing form है लेकिन वो noun है. Okay, or a verb which act as a noun, that is called gerund. तो chasing मतलब हम बोलते हैं ना, he is chasing me. Okay, तो चेजिंग यहाँ पे वर्ब होता है, लेकिन हमको इसको एज अ नाउन यूज करना है. समझ में आ रहा? दैट इज कॉल्ड जेरन. ओके, सी एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन. आई वुड नॉट इवन थिंक ऑफ चेजिंग अ डिफेंसलेस एनिमल. ओके, काउ चेजिंग इज अ वेरी इजी टास्क. काउ चेजिंग इज वेरी इजी टास्क. समझ में आ रहा? यहाँ पे काउ चेजिंग एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड है. is easy task is will be your verb here. ठीक है. Next one, find out 2 hidden words from the given words. This is very easy question of every lesson I can say. Hidden words ढूंढने आपको confidently. कितने सारे बना सकते हैं? I want you all to do it on your own, children. आप कितने सारे words बना सकते हो? देखो, confident, confide, lined, okay, fondly, many other. Next, make a sentence of your own using the phrase to save their skins. To save their skins, it's just a phrase but it means to save their lives. अपनी ज़िंदगी बचाने के लिए. Soldiers किसके लिए लड़ते थे? नॉट टू सेव देयर कंट्री, जस्ट टू सेव देयर स्किन, अपने आप को बचाने के लिए। टू सेव देयर स्किन मतलब खुद की जान बचाना। तो फ्रेम योर सेंटेंस, द थीव्स जम्प्ड इनटू द लेक टू सेव देयर स्किन। समझ में आया? अपनी जान बचाने के लिए वो कुएं में कूद गए। नेक्स्ट, spot the error and rewrite the correct sentence. I is talking a big chance. I is, ये ठीक लग रहा है आपको? I के साथ is जाता है बेटा? No. I goes always with am. I am, I was, I were. This is, तो I is completely wrong. I am taking a big chance. ठीक है? Next, write the following word in alphabetical order. This is also very easy. अंडरस्टैंड, स्टीवर्ड, विंडो, स्क्वायर। अब एस एस वाले दो आ रहे हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विच वर्ड विल कम फर्स्ट? स्क्वायर, स्टीवर्ड, अंडरस्टैंड, विंडो। ओके, identify the type of sentence. I don't think it can be very difficult. See, this is a simple sentence, but don't, don't, this is the negative word. Whenever there is don't or not, that sentence is called as negative sentence. तो ये assertive है लेकिन negative है क्योंकि वहाँ पे don't use हुआ है. For your better understanding, underline don't if you want. समझ में आया? 7. Write the following words in alphabetical order. ये हमने अभी किया, that is very easy. Number 8, write the present and past participle of stop. Present participle क्या होगा stop का? बोलो. Stopping, right? And stopped. See, ये क्वेश्चन हमेशा आता है. Find out the two words which past participle has a last alphabet double. जिसके लास्ट के दो अल्फ़ाबेट डबल हो. तो ये बहुत ही suitable आंसर है because most probably they ask such questions in question number 1. Stop, stopping, stopped. This is present participle. Stopping क्या है? Present participle है. And stopped is the past participle. I hope you all have understood this much. Let's move towards the next question. Do as directed, medium level activity. Use the following word and its homograph in two separate sentences. Lock. Homograph मतलब one word but two different meanings and sometimes there is a change of pronunciation also, sometimes, not always. तो अब क्या बोल रहा है? लॉक. लॉक एंड की वाला लॉक हमको पता है टाला, और दूसरा लॉक the lock and there was a lock of hair. When there is a bunch of hair, so that bunch is called as lock. समझ में आ रहा? It's a collective noun है ये lock. ठीक है? So see the example. There was a lock of hair on the table. And the another one, the lock and the key were both missing. Understood? Prepare a word chain using the following nouns. See, nouns are already given. You just have to arrange them as a word chain. आपको अपने मन से वर्ड्स लिखना है क्या? नहीं, वर्ड्स वहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं, आपको सिर्फ उसको अरेंज करना है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ड चेन्स. एंड यू हैव टू बिगिन विथ फ्रांस. फर्स्ट दिया हुआ है फ्रांस इज गेटिंग ओवर एट ई. अब ई से कौन सा आप ले सकते हो? देर इज ओनली वन वर्ड विच इज रिटन विथ ई, दैट इज इंग्लैंड. तो नेक्स्ट वन विल बी इंग्लैंड. इंग्लैंड इज गेटिंग ओवर एट डी. डेनमार्क गेटिंग ओवर एट के. कोरिया, ऑस्ट्रिया, अलास्का. अंडरस्टूड? ये आपको यहाँ पर सी इन सच क्वेश्चंस ना यू हैव टू यूज़ योर लॉजिक चिल्ड्रन. ये रटने से या पढ़ने से नहीं, ऐसी जगह पे आपको लॉजिक यूज़ करना होता है. यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग. समझ में आ रहा है? सिर्फ रटना है, टीचर ने बताया तो यही आएगा, ऐसा नहीं है. दे कैन चेंज द वर्ड्स. ओके, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी अटेंटिव एंड यू हैव टू यूज़ योर लॉजिक व्हेन वाइल डूइंग सच क्वेश्चंस. नेक्स्ट, the dolphin will give me all I need. Rewrite using the future progressive tense. Progressive means ing form आने वाला है. Progressive आ गया मतलब ing, whether it is past, whether it is present or whether it is future. Progressive means the work is still going on, under process. तो verb हमेशा ing form में होना ही है. समझा? तो dolphin will, अब give का हमको गिविंग करना है तो will भी हो जाएगा. समझ में आया क्या? The dolphin will be giving me all I need. वेरी सिंपल. समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों के? द डॉल्फिन विल बी गिविंग मी ऑल आई नीड. नेक्स्ट, प्रिपेयर अ वर्ड रजिस्टर ऑफ 8 वर्ड्स रिलेटेड टू वॉर फ्रॉम द लेसन. देखो अभी लेसन में हमने वॉर देखी, वॉर से रिलेटेड सारी चीज़ें देखी हुई है, तो हमको सिर्फ वर्ड रजिस्टर बनाना है, वर्ड्स विच आर रिलेटेड टू वॉर। अगर हम थोड़ी देर के लिए सोचें तो देर आर मेनी वर्ड्स विच आर यूज, सोल्जर्स है, आर्मर है ना, सीज, फाइट, प्लंडरिंग, बर्निंग, ट्रूप्स, कैप्टन, है ना, so many words are there. So this is called word register. The word belong to the same category. और ये lesson तो पूरा war के ऊपर ही था, तो you will get many words. Here some examples are given, but apart from that you will get more examples. You will go through the lesson. Okay children, next. Do as directed, challenging activity. I used to think so. Pick out the modal auxiliary and it states its function. I used to. Used to is the modal auxiliary over here which is used for past habit. फेवरेट है ना, ये हम लोगों ने कितने अच्छे से डिटेल में किया है 9th स्टैंडर्ड में, अगर आपको याद होगा. इफ़ यू हैव सेव द बुक, एज आई टोल्ड यू कि अपनी बुक्स फेंकनी नहीं है ग्रामर की, बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी इज वेरी नाइसली एक्सप्लेन इन योर ओल्ड बुक्स इफ़ यू हैव विथ यू. सो यूज टू इट्स अ पास्ट हैबिट. ओके, हम बोलते हैं ना आई यूज टू स्पेंड टाइम विथ माई फ्रेंड्स, मैं ऐसा किया करती थी. सो यूज टू इज ऑलवेज यूज फॉर पास्ट हैबिट. ओके, नेक्स्ट. एनालाइज द सेंटेंस. स्टे विद इन, कॉल एंड कीप योर आई ऑन हर. एनालाइज द सेंटेंस का मतलब क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द क्लॉजेस, मेन क्लॉज एंड सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. सो हियर you see stay within call, and is segregating two separate sentences, and is a word which is dividing the sentence. Stay within call, keep your eyes on her. Stay within call doesn't make proper sense without the other part. Keep your eyes on her, this is main clause, and the second one is stay within call is coordinate or subordinate clause. This is called subordinate clause. I hope you all have understood all the questions. We have finished almost all the question of language study today. Word chain, word register. Fine. So I'll be giving you notes. Please note down all the notes in the workbook and keep your books complete. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much for listening the video. For better understanding, listen the video twice or thrice. I will leave you with this very beautiful thought of Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you too are difficult. From APJ Kalam. See, this is true and very suitable for today's situation, because this is a very, very difficult time, not only for us, not only for you or me, but for the whole world. And here we have seen that we all have so much hidden talent, okay? And everybody is using their talent and surviving in this pandemic condition. Fine, to think over it children, take care of yourself and please do your work on time. Thank you so much. Bye.